Hello everyone, this is Vivian from Audsun Group. The energy prices are rising as quick as we speak. Heat pump seems to be one of the few options left to reduce the energy usage. I'm sure you're already cooperating with the heat pump manufacturers or trading companies. Today I'm going to show you a video of the main components for the heat pump when you're dealing with the manufacturers, especially manufacturers from China, and what we'll call it from here. I hope it will help you when you need the tech support or when you need the components for after sales. The heat pump unit you see here today will typically provide all the hot water and heating for a house. There are four important components of a heat pump: compressor, the heart of a heat pump; condenser, also called heat exchanger; evaporator; and expansion valve. Along with the four vital components of a heat pump, there is another equally important component of the system. There is a refrigerant. The DC inverter control is the brain of the entire system. Yet, even the fan, water circulation pump, crankcase heater also plays a role. The fan blows outside air over the evaporator coil to facilitate the heat exchange. The refrigerant is a substance that absorbs and rejects heat as it circulates throughout the heat pump system. Thanks to reversing four-way valve, a heat pump can change the flow of refrigerant, allowing the system to operate in the opposite direction and switch between heating and cooling. Expansion valve controls refrigerant flow and reduces refrigerant pressure. The forced circulation pump constant proper water flow rate, which will secure the heating performance and reduce after-sales problem. Also, there are some other secondary components help to monitor the heat pump performance. Pressure gauge provides water circuit pressure readout. The backup electric heater provides additional heating capacity when the heating capacity of the heat pump is insufficient due to very low outdoor temperature. What's more, it protects the external water piping from freezing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it can help you in the future when you're doing business with our local Chinese manufacturers. For more heat pump videos, please feel free to contact us.